Alright everyone, so today we are doing a taste test. This is the Power Coffee with Collagen. 12 grams of protein, blah blah blah. So this is the creamy vanilla. We already have our hot water, or very hot water I should say. You can use this with milk or water. We went with the vanilla because vanilla is my favorite. So it says 8 ounces of water. I think we did a little bit more than 8 ounces. Just because there's a lot in this packet. Okay. And you just mix it up until it's fully mixed. I don't know. I have my doubts, guys. A lot of stuff I taste with collagen is not that good. Like, it doesn't taste that good. This smells good, though. I feel like that's still so thick. But we did even more than 8 ounces of water, so... Full taste test here. I have not tried it yet. Hopefully it's still not too hot. I don't know. I really have my doubts, guys. Just past experiences. Okay, I'm not sure. It was still way too hot for me to actually get a full sip. So stay tuned. Alright, let's try this again. Hopefully it's not too hot. Here's the deal. This is not as bad as some of the other ones. It doesn't, like a lot of other ones, taste really strongly like vitamin E. You taste a little bit, but it's not too bad. I think I know this kind of defeats the purpose. So I am you got to know what kind of coffee drinker I am. I am a guy who doesn't like it black, and I like my coffee with sugar and cream. I think if you add a little bit of cream and you add sugar just to give that flavor, I think it would actually be not bad. As is, with just the packet, I couldn't drink this as is. We're going to add some cream and sugar. So that's my thoughts on it, guys. It's good, especially if you're into this kind of stuff. It's good. You're going to like it. It's better than a lot of the other ones out there. As far as it doesn't have that vitamin, like strong vitamin taste. If you guys... Most of you guys that are out there into this kind of stuff, you know what I mean. Some of those supplements or some of those protein shakes or some of those coffee drinks, they have that strong vitamin flavor, and it's like you almost gotta like gulp it in one gulp just to get it down. This you could actually sip on, maybe add a little bit of sugar, you know, in my opinion. But overall, it's definitely, I would say it's in the top 5 I've ever reviewed for this. Not in the top 5 best coffee or best ice drinks or any of that kind of stuff, but within this category, it's in the top 5.